Hello guys, welcome back. I am Daud. You are watching Video Algo. So in the previous video I explained you how we can create a nodejs server like this, and here you can see the server has been started on the localhost port 3000. So from here I will explain you that here you can see it's showing that it is saying that it cannot get slash. So this slash means this is the home root. What are the root? Root are the endpoint of the backend server or the node.js. For the beginners, I can explain you like roots are the. If I tell you like of roots are the function when we are calling a function, and when we put a unique path according to that function returns a value. So like this, roots are the essential part of the node.js, or these are the endpoints where we will access our data or the receive or the sends our data. So these routes are use the HTTP methods, as we are all familiar with the HTTP methods like get, post, delete, put. So it's the home route is it is looking for a get request. So what we'll do now, let's see. uh, as we have already created a app, so I will type app dot get. So now this is the function we are writing. First we need to put the path, and then we are giving a rake followed by the race. Okay, so here in the place of rake and race you can also use some other names like mm, request or the response. These are the full names, but as a standard procedure, we generally use the rake and yes. Okay. So now I will call some methods. There are some methods under rake, as you can see, params, body, query, URL. These are the methods for the under the rake. Rake actually what it means? It's a giant object. It requests the data from the user, and race what race is, race it sends the data from the user to the browser. Okay, so here I will use first race dot status, race dot status. So the generally the normal, if the website is okay and it's the website is remote website is healthy, then it gives the status of the 2000. And with that also I am using a method that is list.send for sending the data. Let's say suppose learning express.js. Okay, so now if I refresh that, you will see this is the learning express.js. And also if you go to the developers tool inspect in the application, in the here you are not seeing any error. Okay, so but if I change this to the 404 and refresh that, here you will see it is showing me a error. Let me expand this, then you will understand. See, this is the 404, this is the error it's showing. So using the status method, you can easily change the status of your website. Like if any user comes to your website and you don't want to uh, you are according to that you want to give the status of your website that it is not completed or there is an error. According to that you can set your values of the status of the website. So if you go to the Google, you will find different status like status codes for websites. See the HTTP status codes like for 2000 this is the OK, and see 101 this is the permanent redirect. Okay, it will redirect to another website or the site. There are several status codes like you can see here. You can understand in deep that what are the status code. I am showing you here another status code that is 500. It will say the internal error. If I go and refresh that, see 500 internal server error. Like this, there are also several like res.send file for the sending the files, res.render, okay, for the HTML files for sending the HTML file. These are some method for response. Also, I can send here the HTML file directly. See, hello world. Okay, H1. And if I refresh that now, see the whole HTML file is delivered to the browser. Okay, so this is for this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.